Hello programmers, welcome to Slide Hunt with the video tutorial on C++ programming. In this tutorial we are going to learn conditional statement in C++. Sometimes we want to execute a set of instruction in one situation and an entirely different set of instruction in some other situation. For this purpose we use conditional statement. Depending on the condition, the statement will be executed. If the condition is true, then execute some statement, and if it is false, then execute some other statement. One of the conditional statement is if statement and another one is if else statement. Here we learn these two statements one by one in details. So let's start. Here first we learn the syntax of if statement. First write the keyword if, then a pair of parentheses, and then a pair of curly braces. Inside the parentheses you have to write the condition, and then within the curly braces write the statement that you want to execute. Depending on this condition, the statement written inside the curly braces will be executed. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. Next we see how we can use if statement in our program. Here we write a simple program that check you passed in the examination or not. If you get 30 marks or more, then you pass the examination. So here we write a program that check your marks, and depending on the marks the program says you passed in the examination or not. So for this I am going to declare here an integer type variable int marks. Next I am going to write the if statement. If a pair of parentheses, and inside the parentheses I am going to write the condition, that is marks, and then we need to write a operator that is called comparison operator. There are different types of comparison operator available in C++, and they are greater than equal to, less than equal to, double equal to, not equal to, and not operator. Here I am going to write greater equal to, and then I am going to write 30. Next give here a pair of curly braces, and inside the curly braces you have to write the statement that you want to execute. I am going to write here cout, and here I am going to write you pass the examination. And then end line. Now we need to initialize the variable. I am going to initialize here marks equal to 45. Since 45 is greater than 30, so this condition marks greater equal to 30 is true. Then it execute this statement and print you pass the examination. Let's check the output, build and run. As you can see here, it print you pass the examination, because here we initialize marks equal to 45. Then it check this condition, marks greater equal to 30. Yes, it is true. Then it execute the statement whatever we write inside the curly braces. That's why it print you pass the examination. Next I am going to initialize marks equal to 25. Now what happened? Let's check the output, build and run. As you can see here, it print nothing, because here we assign marks equal to 25 and the condition marks greater equal to 30 is false. So this block is not executed. That's why it print nothing. If you want to print something to the screen when the condition is false, then you need to write the else block. So I am going to write here else, and inside the else block I am going to write cout, and here I am going to write you failed, then end line. Now check the output, build and run. As you can see here, it print failed, because here we assign marks equal to 25. Then it check this condition, marks greater equal to 30. No, it is false. Then it execute else block. That's why it print you failed. So the basic logic is, if this condition is true, then execute if block, and if this condition is false, then execute else block. Now I am going to initialize marks equal to 75. Build and run. As you can see here, it print you pass the examination, because here we assign marks equal to 75 and 75 is greater than 30. So this condition is true and it execute if block. That's why it print you pass the examination. The next thing that I want to tell you, whether this curly braces is necessary here or not. When you write only one statement either in the if block or in the else block, then this braces is not necessary, means it is optional. If you want, you can give it or you can delete it. I am going to delete it. Here also. Let's check the output. Build and run. The program runs successfully. But one thing must be remembered, if there are more than one statement either in the if block or in the else block, then it is necessary to write the statement inside a curly braces. That's it. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel Slide Hunt. You can like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/slidehunt, and you can follow me on Google Plus at www.google.com/+slidehunt.